So when you are having a look under your car, it is a good habit to have a look for everything for preventive maintenance. Like for example, this under shield has these holes for draining any water. So when I was just looking, all of these holes were blocked with stones. So I opened these 4 bolts, opened this tray slightly, and removed many stones and other things in there which were rattling and blocking these holes also. So it is an easy job. Also, when you are under the car, you can see on this side there is this drain hose. It is for making sure that no water keeps standing in the trunk of your car. So what you can do is poke a hanger or hanger wire or something like this through it just enough to make sure that it is open and not blocked.